What up, YouTube? My name is Zevin, Z-E-V-N, and welcome to my brand new, never before seen YouTube channel called No Comfort Zones. Now, this channel is all about breaking out of your comfort zone. It's all about getting comfortable with being uncomfortable and just in general growing as a human being. I have to tell you how nervous I am in this moment right now. I've wanted to start a channel for a couple of weeks now, and I've been really nervous about it. I've been for the last couple of days just actually taking my iPhone and just trying to get comfortable with talking into a camera. It's kind of intimidating, it's kind of crazy, and I'm really excited about this and to get this out of the world. I think it's going to be really great for me, a really great outlet, and I'm excited to get started. I think because I'm so nervous, I think that's the exact reason why it's so important that I do this. I think this is what the channel is all about. It's about being uncomfortable and doing something that you're not comfortable with, but you know that it's going to help you grow as a person. And for me, making this video right now and doing this channel freaks me out, and I'm really nervous about it, but at the same time excited for what's to come. This channel is all about breaking out of your comfort zone, whether it's public speaking, working out, eating healthier, or anything else. All of those things, by the way, freak me out. And I want to do videos on how to overcome those things that you're weak at, right? I hate public speaking. I hate making videos. I'm a really picky eater, and I have no workout schedule right now. All of these things I want to change about myself, and I want to make videos to help you overcome it as well. I really don't know where this is going to go. I don't really care if anybody watches it at all. This is really just for myself and to see myself grow and become a better person, and to keep myself accountable as well. I know this is going to be a great outlet for me personally, and I hope this is the first of many videos to come. So stay tuned and enjoy.